as students to build character and cultivate compassion and empathy, which are crucial as social collaboration. Honorable Principal Sir, Senior Level Coordinator Sir, dear teachers, and my cute children. Good morning to one and all. I, Pratibha Pandey, welcomes you all on behalf of Sri Kavatara family in the new session. In this new session, we try to inculcate communication skills, collaboration, self-awareness, and focus. So, today we are going to present a beautiful skit in front of you. I hope that you will enjoy and learn something.
What is going on in the class?
I'm not sir, I'm not sir.
Why are you pointing to her?
Sir, I'm not sir, I'm not sir.
I'm not here. Sir, he's free. Then who is there? An invisible power. May I expect good morning?
Good morning.
Good morning, sir.
What is in the song?
Good morning, sir.
Good morning. Sit down, please.
Thank you, sir.
Sit down, please. Take your seat.
Sir, she is not giving the place.
Please allow you to speak.
See, sir. You always behave like
And
this.
to this is not fair. Allow them to speak. Come on.
She never gives the place like that. She always behaves like
I
this.
think something is wrong. Now please do sit.
Thank you, sir.
Have you done your homework? I can't listen.
Yes, sir.
Okay, fine. So now you stand up and answer. Where is the Taj located?
Sir, I know, sir, I know. Sir, give me the chance. Sir, please give me.
Don't fight, please. You answer.
इंदौर
Hello?
Sir, I will tell.
Please.
Sir, India.
India. You will answer. And what's your answer?
Agra, sir.
नो सर इंडिया सर इंडिया
Sir, Agra.
इंदौर
Sir, it is located in Agra.
My dear, Agra is part of India and India is a country. So both the answers are same. Fine, but particularly we can say it in the Agra. Is it clear? Any confusion?
सर डाउट
Doubt? Oh my God, I'm so lucky teacher in the world that they are asking me doubts. Wow. Yes, yes. What is your doubt? Oh my God. This is your doubt.
I asked first. Sir, I raised my hand first. Sir,
Okay, fine. You answer first.
Yes.
So but I give you. And if you don't allow what is going on in your class?
I'm not, sir. He is pushing me, sir.
This is not fair. Please sit down and don't repeat it.
Sorry, sir.
As you know that you are so kind and humble. Yes or no?
Yes,
Okay, fine. So also I just want to tell you something. Better please don't do like this. Until unless we just accompany with them, how will you learn? In school we learn, okay, when we are in a group. And when I and we meet, it becomes us. And when we are us, so we can achieve whatever we want in our life. Fine? So now, just mean this is your permanent place, you will be sitting with her always. Okay? Okay, fine. So now the class is over today. Fine? I will meet you tomorrow. So the homework is, I will ask some questions. That's chapter number 1, social science. Is it clear?
yes, sir.
Okay, I'm leaving now. Bye-bye. You come with the parents. Fine.
Hey Deepika, are you going to inform to your parents? Wrong the number of sir. Lord, blacklisted. I will also.
Okay, I will come with my mother tomorrow. I want to inform to my parents about it. I got very less marks in all subjects.
What
inform, because if you do not inform now, our teacher will give a call to our parents and then you will be in trouble now.
Arey, block.
I have already blocked them. If my father knows, he gets slapped. If number is showing the block, no, a letter will be sent to your father by driver here.
So address, wrong address.
You must inform your parents. How can I inform?
You are
Got very less marks in all subjects. Bad habit. We must inform our parents and we must come with our parents in the PSK. Let us see what will happen tomorrow.
Welcome, sir. Welcome, please.
Okay. Thank you, sir.
Be seated.
Thank you.
Be seated, better.
Please. Sir.
Yes, sir. How are you?
I'm very much good. What about you, sir?
I was very much fine, sir.
That's great. How is the performance of my child, sir?
Actually, sir, the thing is that she doesn't coordinate in the class. And whenever I ask questions to her, she never opens her mouth. Means she is totally dumb in the class. I tried my level best that she should speak something, but she.
But why is it so, sir? What is wrong with it?
So as I guessed in the classes, that she has no friends in the class. And for that I tried my level best that she should have some friends so that she will be able to learn. Would you like to say something? She wants to say something.
Okay, we'll talk together and we'll plan what we can do for
Surely, sir,
her
I have planned for this.
Okay.
I'm not happy with the marks she has achieved, but even then, I have a good plan, and I'm damn sure that she will progress.
Okay, we'll take care from next time.
And,
so
and
that
I
she will
need
be
your
able-
support as well, sir.
Okay.
And I do request that every parents meeting you please turn up,
Okay.
and whenever I make a call, you please do respond. And sometimes we send WhatsApp messages. Sometimes it is not possible to communicate with all the students, so we just take that video also. So please, sir, just check.
Sir, we are quite vigilant. I always check my WhatsApp messages. Whenever such problem is there, you just please message me.
Okay, sir, fine.
We'll try together and we'll achieve.
Definitely. Hand in hand together and we will.
Okay. That's fine.
Do come.
Thank you.
Now the exam is over. Once again, WhatsApp message for PSTN.
What about you?
Good morning, beta. Very nice. Good morning, everyone. Fine, so it is time to declare the result. I am so happy that you all have done well. Okay, I am so happy. Whatever the mistakes that you have made in the classes, that was the different part. But really, miss, you have done wonderfully. I do expect that you will keep doing this in your life.
Everyone is eager to see the result.
Okay, fine. So here are your results. I just distribute. Just have it. Welcome. Don't you have any question?
How is my result, sir?
Who is the topper?
Top. It is the topmost secret. I don't want to leave it. Shall I? Who is the topper? Say yes or no? Okay, so she is the girl who never talked, the girl who never ever coordinated, the girl who never ever had good friends in the class. But after that counseling and after support also, I must say, because of the support only,